Hey, I'm David, and in this Revisto training session, we will be covering how to utilize the reporting and dashboarding tools. We understand that all project information communicated in Revisto should be captured and tracked at the highest level. From overall project status to reporting on specific tasks, the reporting and dashboard functions that are provided through Revisto are the ideal tools to help deliver valuable project information. Let's go through a workflow that's common practice within Revisto when tracking information, such as progress reports during MEP coordination. Typically in Revisto, reporting and dashboard tools can be fully utilized once collaboration and communications have already taken place in Revisto project. Users will then need to access the Revisto workspace, which is a separate web-based platform where project teams are able to access project information in real time. By selecting the reporting icon while in the issue tracker, in Revisto you will be redirected in your Internet Explorer and taken to the Revisto workspace residing on our website. Users can also gain access to the workspace by simply navigating to revisto.com and logging in without the need to access the Revisto platform on their machines. Here, within the workspace, users are able to access the reports and dashboard metrics of their Revisto projects and communicate them across the project teams. Let's start with creating a report within Revisto workspace. While in the project within workspace, users will be able to select the report tool on the left side of their screen. Within the report tool, users will be able to see previous or recurring reports that are being distributed amongst their project teams under the specific Revisto project. Let's begin by creating a coordination report. There are several handy features during setup that allows users to set up the reports by preference or internal standards, such as public or private reports, export as Excel or PDF, time format options, and choose how to filter reports from any condition or property within Revisto project. Let's create a report by clash test and multi-select all trade issues that have been compiled within the past week. Once completed, I can then schedule my delivery recurrence if needed by selecting none or just one-time report. And by email you can select the project teams to send the report to. Here's a look at a newly created PDF report that allows project team members to understand the issues at hand, and by selecting any issue from the report, a user is redirected back to the project displaying the selected issue without trying to search for the issue manually. Now let's move on to using dashboards. A quick summary of what dashboards are in Revisto. Our project teams are able to view high-level volumetrics surrounding their project in Revisto, viewing activities such as MEP coordination, team project participation, or overall project status to completion. Revisto provides the control for users to track any intelligent property within their project and present information through different chart types. Let's create a dashboard surrounding project coordination, tracking all new issues created within the past 7 days. There are several handy features during setup that allow users to set up their dashboards by importing presets of previously created charts, by privacy or invite only, or by individual team member to be added via email. Once completed, users will be brought back to the dashboard homepage, where they can then begin creating charts under their newly created dashboard. Under the chart creation page, users can sort through different fields, such as by chart types. We have different chart types like pie charts, bar charts, status flow charts, and by timeline. Once the choice of a chart has been chosen, groups can be used to further organize charts from Revisto properties such as stamps, tags, statuses, or any other property provided in the drop-down window. Then when sorted and filtered according to the user's preference, in this case we will set up our filters to a 7-day tracking period. Once completed, this chart will be presented back on the dashboard homepage either by public or specific users. Here, the chart can be accessible to team members or sent out manually when the chart becomes available. Over the project lifecycle, created charts can be tracked or edited to fit around the message of the user on status. It's a one-time setup that becomes automated, actionable information.